Okay, so gold market outlook, and what we're seeing here is that in a 4-hour time frame, we are generally on a downtrend. And since dito, no, since nag-start yung war, okay, so generally on the downtrend, but what we are seeing here is a flag, a pullback upwards, and it may have a bounce here, or could it be that this is actually the bounce before it continues to go down? Okay, so target here is that it may first go to the 4-5 level, which is a psychological level, and more targets at 4,400, 4,394, and also 4,280. So why 4,280? It's because of this previous resistance turn support. Okay, so may support level tayo dyan na nakuha. And now, this. Okay, so again, treat your support and resistance levels as a zone, not an exact level or not an exact price. Okay, so could it be that this one is the bounce, no, the flag before it continues to go down? Because the flag on a downtrend is actually a pullback and a continuation, right? So it's giving us an opportunity to go short, all right? So but if this hold the 4-5 level hold, it may still go up here on a limited upside, and probably at around 4-6 na lang eh. So pero we are still looking at 4,800 levels before it continues to go down. So number one threat is inflation, no? Inflation will keep the rates high. Yeah, rates high. That's the number one. Yeah, Fed will keep rates high or hold it. They may increase the rate, or they may hold it at 3.75. So as long as the oil is above $100 per barrel, then we may see um, inflation, no? Inflation sa economic data ng mga countries na sa US and other European countries, and also all over the world. So these rates, kapag siyempre si Fed nagtaas, everyone will follow. All right, so that's the reason why. And gold is now rate driven, not about being a safe haven during this geopolitical tension, kasi may included na, or kasama na yung oil sa usapan, right? So pero we are one news away for us to break this downtrend movement. Okay, so pag nagkaroon ng peace talks again, it may surge up or may even break the downtrend movement. Okay, so those are the levels, and we can actually go to the lower time frame. 15 minute, right? So again, here, these are the levels, and even on this um, lower time frame, we're looking at a downtrend. So again, it may go back up temporarily, but I would say na it could be a limited upside, no? So from here, it could just touch 4-6 then before it continues to go down. So if this 4-5 does not break, possible na ma-break niya tong downtrend dito on a lower time frame. Okay, on a lower time frame. So, we're still not out of the woods kapag na-break niya yan kasi there's a lot of resistance levels na kailangan niyang i-break, especially this 4-8. Yan. So, if this 4-5 then hold like what I said earlier, marami pa tayong targets dyan. Yan. So, we can look at the higher time frame for more targets. Okay, so this one is a possible level like what I said at around 4-4 there. So those are the levels. So we keep our as long as the war is ongoing, the oil prices keeps going up, then we can expect that gold will still make some bearish movements, no? So pababa pa rin siya. Kahit na tumataas yan, we can just do sell limit, no? So we can look at the sell limit here, targeting this. Okay, so range bound, still range bound for quite a while now. All right. So dito tinapik nila itong 4,520 only to go back at 4,560 or 70 level. So sell limit sell limit is the key. Okay, sell on rallies. That's our strategy. Sell limit 4,6 to 4,615. Yan. Targeting target at 4,550, 4,530, and 4,510. Okay, so stop is above 4,6. So mga 4,650, no? Or 4,660, pwede na yan. So it's gonna give us 1:4 risk to reward ratio. And that's it for our gold outlook. So hopefully makatulong sa inyong trading decision. So thank you so much for watching. You have a great day.